Temple of Leah is located about 7.5 kilometers north of Cebu City in Busay. It is a humble Roman-style shrine built by Teodorico Soriano Adarna in honor of his late wife, Leah Villa Albino-Adarna. Temple of Leah is highly inspired by Roman architecture. The temple flaunts with Doric columns, Grecian statues, granite floors, and marble mountain. So we are at the Temple of Leah today. Let's see how... Oh, it's a nice view of the city. Two golden lions are adorned in front of the temple that stood as guards on both sides of the main stairs, where the portico leading to the 9-foot bronze statue of Leah. This is said to depict how composed, regal, gentle, and beautiful the matron queen of the University of Southern Philippines was. This is also known as the Taj Mahal of Cebu. Hey, you want?
I want one of these for my front door.
She also loves to collect and hoard things, porcelain dolls, plates, and all other things. As you can see, it's not really readily visible for everybody to walk into the chamber and look at it right now, but we are peeking through the windows to look at all her precious belongings.